And today, I'd like to talk to you about streamlining your oil analysis setup process using FluidLife's metal QR tags through the FluidLife MyLab app. The MyLab app allows you to access MyLab on your smartphone or other smart device, both online and even without cell reception. So let's talk about these tags. These metal QR tags are laser etched and extremely durable, and they can be assigned at a unit or even a component level. So how do you assign the tags? Step 1 is to log in to the app. Once you're in the app, you can click on the More button at the bottom of the screen, which will take you to the option to either go to MyLab in your browser or assign your equipment tag. When you click on Assign Your Equipment Tag, it'll take you back to the search screen where you can enter the unit that you're looking to assign the tag to. Once you find that unit, you can select it, and it gives you the option either assign it at a unit level by clicking the Scan Tag button at the top here, or you can assign it at a component level. In this case, let's assign this tag to engine 01. So I'll select engine number 1, I'll click on Scan the Tag, I'll hover over the metal QR tag, and that's it. So next time you're looking to set up a sample using the MyLab app, you simply click on Set Up Samples, click on Scan Equipment Tag, scan the tag, enter the information, scan the sample bottle, and you're ready to go. For more information on this or other ways to improve your oil analysis program, please visit fluidlife.com.